Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace transmission computer on Mercedes W163 ML. Guys, right here we have ML320, but it will be the same for almost all of them. So we're going to go ahead and disconnect the battery. Okay, you need to do that. We recommend to do it at least 15 to 30 minutes before you start the repair. Disconnect the positive cable there. Alright guys, so the transmission control module, it's located under the instrument cluster here. There is one cover that we already removed. We'll show you how to do that. You can even find it in the video. We have a video about brake light switch, how to replace. Okay, and this is transmission control module. Right above the gas pedal you can see, okay, that's where the transmission control module is located, right here. So now in order to release it, there is a thing right here that you need to push and pull on the module, okay, and it will come out of there, okay, like that. This is the transmission control module. Now you need to press this on here and you will need to, okay, pull the cables, and they are pretty stuck. It's only one side that you need to press in here and pull, okay, like that. Okay, right here. So we have the transmission control module out of here, and when you replace it, in our case sometimes it doesn't work without programming. Sometimes you have to program them. I don't know what the deal is, but you need to match your number exactly the same way, like this one here. Okay, so we got the new module here, and we're just going to press those in, and now you need to go ahead and install it where it's supposed to be, up there. So the back side goes first, and then it just locks, okay, like that. And you can see that's the module right there, guys. So that's how you remove and replace transmission control module on Mercedes ML320, guys. Please subscribe, let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.